man, none of you learning anything. You just come. Captain Smith, I call them about Jimmy and Kwan because Ghana Mrenuo. Jimmy and Kwan, because I say Ghana no the Okodamba Kwana and Sabo Abaso, yes, I'll push you world captain, and now you are going to come. Jimmy, I will say again. What's our integrity? What's our integrity? You can see. And to Baba was a walk with me, my Okodam. It's a moment to one of Ghana Bay, better than Ghana Bay, because you guys don't want Ghana system to fix. What could them about for war? Emma court for woman, Emma, the system of the court. You don't even respect Ghana court. You come out with the same nonsense because NDC sabotage will support you. Because the two parties in Ghana, one party will criticize against the law. Now about Chimi. Me man go school from Munyansa Usabu Chimi. Mu Kenyan Ghana. You don't speak any wisdom to read Ghanaians. You come and talk wala. Come on, me man go school makaka wala. Me man go school come on, me tiemu. And so moi, Musimu a journalist. You don't learn any fuck off. What but that now say Muhammad and Salifu, Idris no mudimatem, and Jimmy Fuasefon. And yam or yam Fuasefon. And yam Fuasefon, no mudimatem. Because I can't be the NDC power. NDC power and Unade. Kevin tell a bedi de kuf a Kega Potem and Unade. Who's Salifu, Muhammad Ye? What's more brass second upon? Kevin tell a more brass second upon. Salifu into the Kevin tell a child. Maybe I may support to Japan. Japan, I'm a fans. I will not choose Mutier. Me not Japan, I'm going to choose Najagezi. Because the Najagezi is a man of God. Kwasiawu was created by Satan. Who Chiminia, who Tiame? Who, Najagezi, Namishan, suffer. I do respect you because you, upon everything. Any people are where they be a mummian prison. Because this guy was fighting with this great man who called King Japan. And King Japan, I mean, sure, I said, this guy knows that there be a dear me, and yet, Papa no, Papa bra, with all due respect, Papa no, my phone no, one is off for me, my make up panic because me a crowd charming. Fekeke. We will say King Japan still receive this guy. We will say King Japan still receive Najagezi. And Kamuye Nyansafua. Can we see a baby free? More person can upon I don't count to more. We're a politician. As of fighting money party. As of fighting my Ghana. Because none of NDC leaders who care for Ghana, none of NDC leaders, including John Dramani Mama, can never care for Ghanaians than King Japan. Let me tell you this. Come up for that, let me tell you the truth. Come up for that, let me tell you the truth. Let me open my who wrote them. I mean, so fun. I tell enough for woman in Yemen. Missy, Mutia, many other than Channel. Yeah, we had a correct born of Cromuso Muni. South Africa for Ghana for points into Muni board my Listen to me and listen to me cry. Hey, what we see to your mama? You cannot compare your mama with Canada Japan. You cannot compare that your stupid Kevin Taylor with King Japan. Let me tell you this. Kevin Taylor swear he must come out. King Japan to me to the book and some church your mama cannot respond. So you, Kevin Taylor, you talk against King Japan respond to you, and you go to court, you don't have any proof. Your mama power for King Japan. And go court, or the proof, Baba. Hey, I brought you see what the pa, your mama fa, I brought you go court. What do they call the proof, Baba? Yes, no more. Yes, no more. It tells you say what the guy is talking about is true. A catcher said you need panic can crack. And you can tell how go court now. Why do you uncle win now? Who now can some good can Japan so a time say one can crack. You can be and drop and think can Ghana for some commission baby. No one say Kevin Taylor, you don't have a fact. But you talk rubbish, you talk nonsense to Ghanaians. But Ghana for my dream had do with you. And I Kevin Taylor winning, and I congratulations, Kevin. Congratulations. Chimi for brokers. Any congratulations. Congratulations to who? Kevin Taylor. Kwasi obi kwademu ankodema. Yati Oliver. And Oliver, congratulations. Oliver, and Chimi on. And Oliver, future president. Oliver, future Chimi Kana from we yatri. Will be a Kodemo, but what's a future president? Because you wouldn't go for the prison. Hey, Mr. California, you did too much. Tell you 1 minute they come. It's here for one function. Madam, as I say, will be a free. Miss Ramo, so show me a follow page. Move follow. Now don't make much. Now, Miss Simon, one America. Never go be a grass in Quano. Before some air grass in Quano, America, now I see grass in Quano. Before some baby can Japan, my Bob Brassel can Japan. Listen to me. Before some Abacas a good father Banyan, you know who's a Mama Bayan, why you be that's what Tias or Ghana. And you be a dance show, and you be policies, why your policies it still exists in Ghana. Before some Macas a Mama Bayan, a good father. And I'm on Timason. Bet me through him. Chale, Monsieur Manasibiam and Anshame, me be up to now. America, how to make sure, say, my bob baby, a chess a me, my bob bra. A do baby, and I'm a rufu, because they were him. Mimic America before I'll come out to insult Japan, before I'll come out to talk rubbish against a good father. I have to know, say, Mimi family, Nibia Bobra. I have to know, say, my woo baby, me taking a man about Brasil Kufado. I'm an about Brasil Japan. I don't need some woo baby or say Kevin Taylor. Never. 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 Because I have a vision to rule my life. I have a vision as a youth. A Timu vision or Koto Delta. No about Kevin Fire. Hey. Show fire no masabato ne basana me fire ba. Musa central fire na me keka magana. Na me fa Kevin Taylor nese kwa champagne ni mana. Montreal fire. Because Kevin Taylor nese, you cannot compare. Hey, me dinatem. Do you know why I insult Kevin Taylor father? Wunim dentia me dinatem. Me kana me ese me catch you. Wunim dentia me Kevin Taylor papa because ni papa e chimifo. Onu ani papa nim so o mo abra te second Japan. Ni papa nim so o yohene, ni kro na odi hene wo so no. Ye nyamfa so bia mfiri nese no ho.
God should forgive you for making you an elder. Oh, for some powerful claim to Ghanaian and say, one more bar, Bemo, and this is Jenny, and mine own one junior moon to this time, don't go back to margin from day. Oh, for some powerful, now more Jenny Ghana for whom you guys collapsed over 88 microfinance people. You didn't pay one person a peso. You cared about the Ghanaian business person. Oh, for some powerful, you guys open microfinance companies for your girlfriends, for your wives, and your children. And duped Ghanaian people. God is love, DKN.